Finolex Group of Industries, India's leading manufacturer of PVC pipes and fittings and PVC resin, is now metamorphosing into a company engaged in the business of managing water. To announce their new endeavour, along with the new company tagline, the company hosted an event recently in Pune.
Our new rebranding, relaunching is to say Tarakki Zindagi Bhar, prosperity forever. It has always been our passion to deliver quality. We always do one quality, Finolex quality.
As India stands on the cusp of change today, we see new opportunities opening up every day. Several initiatives of the new government are further adding to this growth potential. As a company, we are very excited about the change. As a part of this change, we have reevaluated our business and our go-to-market strategies.
Basically, हमारे जो we have two broad agendas. हम लोग जो कर रहे हैं, एक number one is how do we look at our portfolio and how do we plan our future. In that context, the proposition of the organization and the brand has been slightly recalibrated. For all these years, we've spent all our life helping people carry water from point A to point B. But going forward, as an organization, we would spend a lot of time in figuring out the business of managing water. Yeah, because water today is going to be a scarce resource, and as an organization, it becomes our responsibility to help people manage water well. Yeah. And whenever you take water from point A to point B, at point B you create prosperity. So the new brand proposition is anchored around that thought, which basically sums up in two words, which is Tarakki Zindagi Bhar. This whole campaign has been created in such a form that the organization owns it and not just the product.
Tarakki Zindagi Bhar, the company's new tagline, promises a lifetime of prosperity to the consumer through water management. As part of this, Finolex is planning to increase its capacity of the PVC pipes and fittings plant by approximately 40% to 3.2 lakh tons through additional capital expenditure of rupees 90 crores spread over 3 years. The company also unveiled their new television campaign at the event.
बरसती है जिंदगी, कभी हथेली तो कभी खेतों में भरे। जिंदगी कभी होठों को छुए तो कभी तन पे पड़े। जिंदगी जब भी निकले बढ़े, बढ़ती चले।
Finolex Group of Industries, which clocked in a turnover of rupees 2,453 crores in 2013-14, is expecting to grow at a CAGR of 15% to 20% over the next 5 years, which will see its turnover cross $1 billion. A vision that is spearheaded by the company's executive chairman, Mr. Prakash Chhabria. आज हमारे साथ है the executive chairman of Finolex Industries, Mr. Prakash Chhabria. Mr. Chhabria, thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you.
Let's first begin by talking about the journey of Finolex Industries. It all started when your father, Mr. P.P. Chhabria, and his brother, K.P. Chhabria, came as young boys from Karachi to Pune and set up an electrical cable shop. And from there on to today, 55 years later almost, this company, this group of industries rather, has over 3,000 employees and a turnover that runs into millions of dollars.
That's right.
It has been quite a phenomenal journey. So, इस journey के बारे में और बताएं.
You're right. My father and my uncle came into India just before partition, and my father had 10 rupees in his pocket, but he had a lot of fire in his belly. So he started working in a cloth shop, then into working in an electrical cable shop, and suddenly the idea dawned on him that why don't we get into the manufacturing of cable itself. So they started with a very, very small factory, a small scale industry in a place called Karve Road in Pune, and from there the journey has been long. We are now India's largest cable manufacturer, India's largest PVC pipe manufacturer, India's second largest PVC manufacturer. We even have a small power plant, and the group turnover is already close to $1 billion.
Fabulous.
आप इस business में, you must have been into it since your early 20s. But unlike your father, आपने formal education ली. When you came back and you decided to join this industry, what was that like? Did you have the advantage of being the boss's son? क्या कि आपके father आपके साथ बहुत strict थे?
Yes, when I graduated and came back, I came to office. I still remember the first day with him in his car, and he made me sit across his table, and he picked up the phone and called up the floor supervisor from the factory, who I knew because we had been coming to the factory since we were kids. And he told the floor supervisor, you know Prakash, take him to the store, get him a worker's jacket, and put him on the floor with you. I want to see him after 6 months. So 6 months, every day in the morning, I would go to the floor, I'll be working on the extruders, and then go home. I would never see him. So that was our journey. For the first 2 years, I was on the floor. So I went through different departments, whether it was marketing, accounts, finance, and that's how we grew through the ladder.
Fabulous. So you really had training as any other person would in this group of industries. But tell me, sir, when you were growing up, I'm sure you must have heard some phenomenal stories of struggle and triumph, during your father's journey. And I'm sure some of those stories would have stayed with you and have helped you shape the individual that you are today professionally. कोई उन instances के बारे में बताएं that has stayed in your memory?
My father always believes in something called quality. And he says quality is a very easy and a very loose word. So unless you're not committed, unless you're not honest to it, you can never achieve it. So basically our motto has been quality. So whatever we do is a quality product. And therefore if you'll see in India, we are the highest quality, we are the most expensive pipe manufacturer. And all of this is because of quality. And we compete with 500 manufacturers a day. And out of the 500, we are the only company which takes an advance RTGS payment before the dispatch happens. So that is the value of our brand.
So people are willing to invest in that because they know that the quality that they're going to get is
the best.
Yes. I was reading up again about your father. उनने एक book लिखी थी saying there is no such thing as a self-made man.
That's right.
And he is everything,
yes,
a self-made man.
That's what he says, his humbleness. That's what we are. We just come to work, we go back home, that's all. And that's his humbleness. He says that this success is not because of me or you. This success is because of all of us, all our people. And the people means the people who work with us, our dealers, our suppliers. I pay all my suppliers on RTGS payments. No supplier comes to my office to collect a check. He also gets his payment by RTGS on time.
Right.
So it's a both-way equation.
So यहीं लेते हैं छोटा सा ब्रेक. बने रहिए, लौटते हैं कुछ ही देर में.
जिंदगी कभी होठों को छुए तो कभी तन पे पड़े। जिंदगी जब भी निकले बढ़े बढ़ती चले। जो झुकाए सर वो पाए तरक्की जिंदगी भर। फिनोलेक्स पाइप्स, तरक्की जिंदगी भर।
Welcome back. हम बात कर रहे हैं with the executive chairman of Finolex Industries, Mr. Prakash Chhabria. So you took the reins of this industry in 2012. That's when your father retired. I'm sure जाने से पहले, retire होने से पहले, उनने एक आपसे बात की होगी, एक rule book दी होगी आपको that this is how it should run. What are those rules that you still stand by?
The rule book is only one, it's quality. And it's been there from day one. So he really didn't give me physically a book or anything.
Yeah.
But he said, don't forget, we follow honesty. If you will see in our history of Finolex, forever, there has never been a day where any of our group companies have delayed on the interest or the principal payment to the banks. Never. We don't do that. If we take loans, it is with a conscious mind that it has to be paid back on time. So we work fundamentally, we are very clear, we are very transparent, and we, like in pipes business, we are just selling in the retail market. We don't do any contract.
So like your father trained you into the business, आपकी भी दो बेटियां हैं. Do we see them coming in the business? Have you already started training them?
My elder daughter already visits the office, visits the factory. She's been involved in this new promotion also. My younger one is in the loop because she's always on emails, so she's within that email loop. She knows what's happening. what's happening with Finolex, what's happening with new products, what is the new campaign about. So both of them were here like for till 10:30 at night setting up things.
Right. So do you see a lot of you in them? Were you like this when you were growing up?
I see a lot of me, but I also see a lot of my better half in them, so it's a good balance.
Sir, आपके जो consumers हैं, they are the farmers of this country, and farmers are truly the poorest of the lot. How do you ensure that nothing but quality reaches to them?
I believe it is a sense of pride for us that the poorest citizen of our country, the farmer, has full trust, has full faith on us, on our product. And it's again all because of one thing, quality. He knows that the quality that Finolex will give him will be the same which was given to him yesterday and will be given to him tomorrow, and is going to last to him for like 30-40 years. So we work for quality. Our passion is quality, and therefore what we deliver is quality.
जिंदगी थम कर नहीं चलती, जिंदगी गुजरती नहीं, बरसती है। जिंदगी कभी हथेली तो कभी खेतों में भरे।
Also, sir, with the new government coming in, there's so many initiatives being taken, like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan.
All with the water.
All with water.
Yeah.
So, how do you see your business progressing because of that?
Fantastic. I mean, I think we were made for this government. So we are in the right place at the right time. We have matured and we are ready.
What is your vision of the industry? अब आपको 3 साल हो गए as the executive chairman of this group. How have you sort of taken his ideals forward?
You know, we invested a long on the brand for the last 20-25 years. We have developed a very strong retail network. We got 15,000 dealer, sub-dealer network across the country, right from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. Seeing the government, the new government, the initiatives they are taking, Swachh Nirman, toilet, drinking water, cleaning of Ganga, interlinking of rivers, they're all water. So I also felt that if the whole nation, if the whole government is going to be looking at water, I am also in the right space. So my new mission, the new vision, the new mantra is water. So our new website is being launched and it's called finolexwater.com.
Okay.
And it's a new mission, it's a new goal that we want to be in the water space.
Fabulous. And there's also a new logo underway.
जी हाँ.
एक नई tagline है.
There's a new logo. Yeah. Pipes. What do pipes do? Yeah. We take water from the source to the destination. तो जब पानी यहाँ से वहाँ जाता है, वहाँ मतलब आपके खेतों में, आपके खेतों में हरियाली होती है. वो हरियाली होती है क्योंकि आपको पानी मिल रहा है when you want it. So I am basically getting you prosperity. क्योंकि आपको खेतों से प्रॉस्पेरिटी होती है, तरक्की होती है. वो तरक्की मेरे लिए होती है क्योंकि मैं आपको तरक्की लाके देता हूँ, पानी लाके देता हूँ. तो हमारा मोटो नया वाला है तरक्की जिंदगी भर, प्रॉस्पेरिटी फॉरएवर.
सर, तो तरक्की जिंदगी भर के लिए बहुत हार्ड वर्क चाहिए होता है, कंसिस्टेंटली ऑन द डॉट वर्क चाहिए रहता है. What is your advice to people who are young entrepreneurs, and in this country suddenly seeing so many young people who are out to set out and then do their own businesses? आपका क्या advice है उन लोगों के लिए? What is the road to success?
The road to success, except for very few, is very hard and long. Some they have luck. Software companies, hard work, yes, but you can see the scale. They just scale up very quickly. In manufacturing, it's a long road, it's a hard road, but it's a lot of fun. You have to enjoy the ride and keep it honest and keep it very simple.
Do you get to enjoy the ride? I'm sure you're always pressed with work. क्या आपको थोड़ा downtime मिलता है?
I am pressed with work as long as I'm in the office, as long as I'm in the car getting to my house. Once I enter the house gate, I just forget everything. There are really very few phone calls which are work related. Yes, I'll go through my emails once at night before I sleep. But that's because of technology. We didn't do this 10 years ago. At that time it was much easier. You left your office, you left the landline, you came home. There was hardly anything left to do. But now the technology is there, so we use it. That's all.
So Finolex is already a market leader. Where do you see Finolex Group of Industries reaching in the next 10 years?
Finolex Industries, my company where I'm chairman, we have set a target of reaching $1 billion mark in the next 5 years. So that's a big target. It's something credible, and we will all work for it.
Well, we wish you all the very best in that endeavor, sir. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.